Today from ShadowThorn Studios, we're going to dive into another future-proof monetization model for play-to-earn crypto games. In the past, we've talked about MMORPGs, MOBAs, skill-based economies, true rarity with limited items, halvenings, and what play-to-earn really. But today, we're going to focus on something different: embedded advertisements and in-game event arenas, and how they can transition the earning model for studios while giving back to players. How it works in Web 2. Let's look at games like Fortnite and League of Legends. Fortnite partners with movie studios, anime franchises, and celebrities to bring in-character skins. League of Legends created branded skins with Samsung. Here's how it works. The skin is created. It's sold in unlimited quantity for a set price. The revenue split is usually around 50-50 between the game studio and the advertiser. The advertiser gets massive exposure to millions of players. The game company gets new content to keep their game fresh, more fun, and more profitable. And for the players, wearing those skins creates memories tied to the brand, the same way a fond memory at a concert makes you love a song forever. This is embedded advertising, the same way a basketball court or football stadium sells ad space on the scoreboard or sidelines. Section 2. Why it works better than traditional ads. Think about the Super Bowl. A 30-second commercial costs millions. Once it's over, it's gone. Now compare that to in-game advertising. A skin lives inside the game forever. A player can wear it 24/7, 365. Every time they log in, every time they play with friends, that brand is reinforced. That's an entirely different level of brand immersion. Now let's imagine this in a play-to-earn crypto game. Instead of a 50-50 split between company and advertiser, what if it was 33-33-33? 33% to the company, 33% to the advertiser, and 33% back to the player. How does that work? The company uses its share to buy in-game gold from the over-the-counter player market, then airdrops it back to the player base. This does three things. 1. Removes gold from the market, decreasing supply. 2. Rewards every player, raising trust and loyalty. 3. Connects advertising directly to gameplay value. And unlike Web 2, where skins are infinite, in crypto they would be limited edition, making them scarce, tradable, and more valuable. Players could then trade these skins in secondary markets, with the company and advertiser earning a cut on every resale. That means recurring revenue for studios, advertisers, and players alike. Event arenas as sponsored spaces. Now let's expand the idea. Every online game runs special events: Capture the Flag, King of the Hill, Red vs. Blue, tournaments, and daily challenges. What if these arenas themselves were branded? Flags could carry a company's logo. Arenas could feature embedded signage. Maps could have themed assets tied to a sponsor. This creates an entirely new secondary revenue stream, selling ownership of these event arenas to brands. Imagine a daily Capture the Flag match, where every player is interacting with a brand's flag, a sponsored tournament map that players return to thousands of times per month. The exposure is constant, interactive, and baked into gameplay itself. For brands, that's priceless. For studios, that's sustainable. For players, it makes the world feel alive and rewards them for simply being part of it. Embedded advertisements and branded arenas turn crypto games into living billboards, but ones that pay players, not just corporations. It's a smarter, fairer, and more fun way to bring advertisers into game worlds while strengthening economies instead of draining them. For more innovative tokenomics and monetization structures for crypto games, make sure to follow ShadowThorn Studios. Thanks for watching.